Session 3. Am family. Time to eat. It is time to eat. Do you want a yam? Said Mum. No. Do you want to eat bread with jam? Said Mum. No. Do you want some roasted lamb? Said Mum. No, I do not want yam. I do not want jam. I do not want to eat some roasted lamb. I just want to eat some pie. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. What time is it? Question 2. What is something the boy does not want to eat? Question 3. What does the boy want to eat? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe WorldPointer.